Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Combine the core ingredients first. Measure 2 cups mango puree, 1 cup heavy cream, and 1/4 cups sweetened condensed milk into separate bowls. Sprinkle 1 tsp powdered gelatin over 3 tablespoons cold water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. This creates the stabilizer for the mousse. Keep 2 tablespoons sugar and 1/2 tsp vanilla on hand to sweeten and flavor the whipped cream. Chill the mixing bowl and whisk for 10 minutes to help cream whip faster and hold structure. Warm the bloomed gelatin over low heat just until it dissolves. Do not boil, then whisk it into 2 cups mango puree while still warm so it blends smoothly. In a chilled bowl, whip 1 cup heavy cream with 2 tablespoons sugar and 1/2 tsp vanilla to soft peaks. This will give the mousse its airy texture. Allow the mango gelatin mixture to cool to room temperature. Then fold it into the whipped cream with gentle lifts and turns until homogeneous and light, avoiding deflation. Spoon the blended mousse into serving glasses or a single bowl, smoothing the tops. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours to fully set and develop flavor. Before serving, add 1/4 cup diced mango, a mint leaf, and a sprinkle of lime zest for brightness and texture contrast. For variations, fold in 2 tablespoons mascarpone for richness, substitute 1/4 cup sweetened condensed milk for more sweetness, or swirl in pureed passion fruit for a tart counterpoint to the mango.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.